In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country/region on Alibaba app. Changing your country or region helps tailor what you see in the app, including available products, shipping options, estimated delivery times, and sometimes currency and promotions. If you travel, relocate, or want to browse suppliers in a different market, this quick update keeps your experience accurate. Start by opening your Alibaba app. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the settings update properly. If the app prompts you to sign in, tap Sign In and log in with your account using your usual method. This ensures the change is saved to your profile rather than just for a single session. If you're already logged in, you can continue. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the bottom of the screen and tap My Alibaba on the lower right. This is your account hub where you can manage preferences and orders. From there, look for the option labeled Settings and tap it. Settings is where Alibaba stores your app preferences, including language, region, and delivery related options. Inside Settings, find and select Deliver To. This is the section that controls the country or region used to calculate shipping and availability. You'll see your current country or region displayed. Tap the small arrow pointing down next to it. This opens the full list of regions that Alibaba supports. Now, use the search bar to type the country or region you want to switch to, or scroll through the list until you find it. Selecting the correct country is important, especially if you plan to receive items there, because it affects which suppliers can ship to you and how much shipping might cost. Tap the country or region you want. To finalize the change, tap Confirm. The app will apply your new selection, and you may notice the catalog, delivery estimates, and sometimes currency updating to reflect that region. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or navigate back to the home screen to refresh. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you switch regions frequently, remember that some items are only available in certain countries, so your saved searches or carts might look different. If your orders or recommendations seem off after changing regions, double check that you selected the correct country and that you're signed in. Also, the layout of the app can vary slightly by version, but the Deliver To option in Settings is the key place to make this adjustment. That's it. You've successfully changed the country or region on the Alibaba app, ensuring your browsing and shipping info matches where you need it.